Hey guys, it's Kat. So this video I actually filmed back in August before I even moved into my dorm, but I just got around to editing it. School has just been crazy, and I also had other videos that I wanted to make sure I got up first, like my dorm tour and my move-in vlog and all that. So those were my priority, and now I can finally get around to uploading this like 2 months later. But it's okay, it's still a cute vlog. And I wanted to show you guys how I made some of the things in my dorm, so just enjoy. Hey guys, so I feel like my hair's a mess right now and I look gross, but so today has been a super productive day. I woke up, I made a nail appointment, I got breakfast, then I went to Michael's and I got a few craft items, which I'm about to show you. Then I went to a dentist appointment, then I went to the post office and shipped out the giveaway items to the winner, and then I went and got my toes done. So now I am home and I am ready to do some arts and crafts and make a few cute little things for my dorm, because I figured making a few of these things would be cheaper than actually buying them. I don't know if that's true, because I feel like I did just spend a ton of money at Michael's, but I also did get a bunch of extra stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making and what I got. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be making are signs. They're gonna be like little arrow signs. I'll insert pictures. I saw them on Etsy, so it's going to be like a beach sign and a lake sign, and then I'm also going to make another set because my mom wanted to copy me and make some for the porch where I am right now that say beach and pool. So I just got 4 of these arrow things, and then I got some stencils. The next thing I'm going to be making is this little photo hanger thing. I thought it would be cuter than just hanging up a string and clothespinning them. I thought it would be something a little different. I don't know if this was exactly on Urban Outfitters, but it is very Urban Outfitters-esque, and I figured I could just grab a stick from my backyard and make it myself. So that is exactly what I intend to do. I got some twine, then I got 2 packs of clothespins to hang up my pictures. A while back I got the vine that I'm going to use, and that's inside, so I'll grab that later. The last thing I'm going to be doing is adding a little fun touch to my dry erase board calendar because it's really ugly. This is my dry erase board, and I'm going to put these little pom-poms on it. This is actually a basket that I already made. Ta-da! I made it, weaved it myself. And I got this command hook while I was at Michael's, and I'm hoping that the basket can hang on this and that it'll hold it. Oh, I got these little hooks for keys. I got this little like banner thing because I thought it might be cute if I have extra wall space. I got this little sign for Halloween, and then I did get some more flowers. That's everything I have to show you guys, so let's just get started. First, I'm going to start with painting the signs. So I kind of want to put it on the wall near this sign that I have, so I want the colors to sort of look cute with this sign. So I'm just going to see what I have in here. I'm thinking along the lines of like blues, like darker blues and stuff. This could be cute. I'll think about that. I feel like I'm all out of white paint. I do have to do 2 for my mom as well. So let's get painting. Oh, come on, camera. You can do it. Don't move. I kind of want to see what this blue looks like if I mix it with like a darker blue. Maybe that's the color that I need for my dorm, because this is cute, but it's like a little light. Okay, so I just finished painting. So I mixed a bunch of different blue shades for those 2, and then these 2 I just did normal like white shades. So I'm gonna let those dry, see how I like them. Maybe I'll just keep the 2 white ones for myself. I don't really know yet. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on some other things. So I think I'm gonna start with finding a nice stick. I probably won't even have to find a stick. I think my dog is gonna find it for me. Can you find the stick for me? That one's too skinny. Ooh, that's a nice one. This is a nice one. I kind of like this. I'll keep this one in mind. No, I'm serious. I'm looking for a stick. Aww. It's part of my arts and crafts. No, yeah, she's helping me. Well, we have to test it out and make sure it's sturdy. So I'm gonna throw it to my dog and this will be the test. Okay, bring it back. Okay, so I just put Mod Podge all over this. It'll dry and turn, you know, see through. Maybe I'll get like some paper towels and just blot it. Alright, so I'm just gonna like dab it just to get any extra Mod Podge off. Just did this to kind of seal it together. And while this is still sticky, I think I'm actually gonna tie everything on so that it kind of all seals together. I'm gonna cut some pieces of twine. So I did 5 strands and this is what it looks like. So now I guess I'm just gonna put this on. So maybe I should have wrapped this first because all the twine is like getting tangled in it. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Now I just have to find a way to secure it. I think this looks really freaking cute and I think it looks cuter with like an actual stick. Okay, so now I am going to hot glue on my little pom-poms onto my calendar. So I'm officially done with my erase board. This was literally the easiest thing, but it took the longest because it just takes friggin' forever to hot glue. So yeah, I'm done with that, but
a few moments later.
So this is done. All I did was pretty much play around with tying the vine up with the twine that was already here, and then also like hot gluing it down. I added a little thing to hang it up on. Okay, so it is a few hours later. I just had some food. All of the little boards are dry, and now I'm going to attempt to put the letters on them. I have a feeling it's not gonna go well, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. Look how nice the camera is.
It's clear.
Yeah.
I feel like that's what sets apart like good YouTubers and people who just like post videos, you know what I mean?
So this was a good investment?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm about to start painting my beach sign. Adam's working on the lake sign. And Sabrina's here. Hi. And she's cutting her pictures. Let me see, Adam.
I did it all by myself.
Moment of truth, let's see how it turned out. Oh my god, I love it.
Turned out pretty good. Okay.
And you ripped it. Nice.
Ah, so satisfying. Oh.
I wanted to keep the stencils, Adam.
Alright, whoops. It kind of looks like... Wait.
No, it looks good. It looks good. Yeah. That was Adam, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.